focus on what's been happening in the maximum city of Mumbai. Mumbai has been witnessing continuous rain at least over the past few days. Now, according to the Met Department, heavy downpours are expected to continue for the next 2 to 3 days. On your screens will be images that our teams have been able to gather from different places in Mumbai. And almost similar stories that see a redux every year with the monsoon. Local train services have been hit. They've been suspended on several routes following the waterlogging triggered by the heavy rain. There are several areas in the city that literally have been submerged in water after this heavy downpour. The IMD has also issued a yellow alert in Maharashtra's Pune, in Ratnagiri, in Raigad, in Sindhudurg, Amravati and the Nagpur districts. This really tells you that people there have been asked to be more aware whenever they step out.
देर रात तक मुंबई में लगातार तेज बरसात के चलते कई इलाकों में जल जमाव की स्थिति हो चुकी है। लोकल ट्रेनें जो हैं वो प्रभावित चल रही हैं। हालांकि इसका असर फ्लाइट्स पर अब तक नहीं हुआ है। तस्वीरें मेरे आसपास की मैं दिखाऊं जहां सड़कें जलमग्न हो चुकी हैं। फिलहाल यहाँ की तस्वीर सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी इसलिए है क्योंकि ये वीआईपी गेट है और मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का, जहाँ पे हमेशा वीआईपी फ्लाइट आती है और यहाँ तक की ज्यादातर जो है वो आर्मी नेवी की फ्लाइट भी यहीं पर उतरती है। लेकिन सड़कें यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि गाड़ियों के जो टायर हैं वो कुछ हद तक यहाँ पर पानी में डूब चुके हैं। यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि स्कूल बस जो है वो पानी में डूब चुकी है और इसी के साथ साथ अगर आप देखेंगे तो बाइकें आपको नजर आएंगी कि किस तरह से ये भी डूबी हुई हैं और यहाँ तक कि जो कई गाड़ियां हैं उन्हें भी आवाजाही में जो है वो दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। जो पूरा कॉर्नर इलाका है इसका वो पानी से भरा हुआ है और साफ तौर पर इसी तरीके के जो दृश्य है वो मुंबई की कई सड़कों पर देखने को मिल रहे हैं, जहां लोग पैदल इन इलाकों से चलने को फिलहाल मजबूर नजर आ रहे हैं।
I'm present in important location that is Andheri, and you can clearly see it's continuously raining since night, and waterlogging situation can clearly be witnessed at this important junction where we are present here in Andheri. And as far as the Mumbai is concerned, definitely it was expected that in the month of June, which has just passed away, the required amount of rainfall didn't happen. That's the reason the lakes in Mumbai which supply water to Mumbaikars are yet not filled, and that is something definitely a crucial concern. But this is raining since past 10 hours since night, and in fact it has affected the train movements at the given point of time. Definitely no flight disruptions have been observed, but clearly you can see the waterlogging situation which has arisen here. In fact, several parts of Mumbai.
मुंबई पानी हर साल का वही टेंशन, हमारा BMW वहाँ फंसा है। अभी सरकार से क्या, बारिश है तो क्या सरकार को बोलेंगे, सरकार अपना काम कर रही है। बारिश में अभी क्या ये नेचुरल फ्लड है, उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकते ना, खाली बिली किसके ऊपर दोष दे के फायदा नहीं।
मुंबई के बारे में बस इतना ही कहूंगा कि अपना जो भी है दादर इलाका है ना, हर साल पानी भरता है। इधर पे कभी कोई चीज की सुविधा नहीं होती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही प्रॉब्लम रहती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही कारण रहता है। कभी भी बीएमसी अपना काम ठीक करती नहीं है। जब भी देखेगा ना यहाँ पे हर साल पानी भरता है और यहाँ की जो गवर्नमेंट है ना बिल्कुल भी लाचार है एकदम, और जरा भी ध्यान नहीं देते बीएमसी वाले लोग। अभी मैं जा रहा था कुर्ला से परेल तक जा रहा था, सिर्फ कुर्ला से परेल तक जाने के लिए मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ, इतना दिक्कत हुआ है, करीबन मुझे 2 घंटा लग गया ट्रैफिक के अंदर।
तकलीफ हुआ, मेरे गाड़ी फंसा पड़ा है उधर अंदर पानी में।
इतना पानी भर जाएगा तो कभी सोचा नहीं था। बारिश के सामने किसकी चलती नहीं है।
बारिश में कभी गड्ढे गुड्ढे भी रहते हैं ना, बरोबर वो कभी किधर गड्ढा आदमी गिर गया, किधर बरोबर वो भी नहीं है ना। अभी आदमी कैसे जाएगा बारिश में, ट्रेन बंद, बस बंद, सब बंद।
So a lot of people that you've heard, remember Srushti, as you're reporting live on, this entire situation right now, one sentiment is very clear. They do realize this is something that they need to deal with year after year. They also say that there is nothing much, Srushti, that the BMC does. Now, the BMC earlier has taken to the social media. It says it has recorded over 300 mm rainfall at various places in just a 6-hour period from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. today. Then there is an advisory saying that in order to avoid inconvenience to students, a holiday for the first session is declared for all BMC, government and private schools and colleges in Mumbai. Srushti, what more do people need to know, because it's obviously 9 a.m. right now, people will be leaving for their places of work. Which are the places that are heavily waterlogged? What is it that they need to keep in mind for the next few hours?
Well, of course, at present I'm reporting from Dadar. Now this area is secured is what we can tell you for sure. You can see in the visuals the area is secured, as this is not as much as the area which comes under the low-lying area. But if we talk about the other areas in Mumbai like Lower Parel, Versova, Andheri subway, those areas are absolutely waterlogged. What comes across is that more than 300 mm of rainfall was received in just 6 hours, and that's why such condition of city can be witnessed. However, BMC has mentioned the fact that they have done the works, the cleaning works of the nalas properly, but we can clearly see that works was not done properly, and that's why such kind of situation and such kind of waterlogging can be witnessed. However, now it has also given an advisory that people should not come out from their houses, as earlier also IMD has given yellow alert for the city of Mumbai, Raigad, Thane and Palghar. Also, BMC has mentioned the fact that the BMC officials, other government officials and school students are given holiday for the first half. However, the condition is serious in the city of Mumbai, wherein the waterlogging is being witnessed in several low-lying areas. But yes, local trains are also running late by approximately 10 to 20 minutes. The trains coming from Central Line are the ones which are in major problem, as there is a lot of waterlogging on the tracks as well. However, now the BMC officials are at place and trying to remove the water from the waterlogged area. But yes, of course, a serious situation. सर एक मिनट आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? काफी ज्यादा बारिश हुई है शहर में और काफी जगह पे वाटर लॉगिंग हुआ है। आपको लगता है पानी की जो हमेशा समस्या होती है शहर में, बीएमसी अपना काम सही से नहीं कर रही है?
हाँ, यहाँ पे पानी की बहुत सारी समस्या है, कहीं गटर साफ नहीं है। सबसे बड़ी रात से ही बारिश हो रही है, भरे भरे पाँव जाना पड़ रहा है। सबसे बड़ी तो दिक्कत यही है।
Well, of course, as you have heard that this person has mentioned that there is a waterlogging issue in the entire city. However, BMC do not, follow the proper measures that needs to be done earlier in the month of, May, especially when there is a monsoon-related works. However, now in this particular area where we are reporting from, the situation is a little better, as this doesn't come under the low-lying area. But yes, of course, a serious, problematic situation for Mumbaikars. But this is a one perspective for the entire situation. The other situation is that the water levels in the reservoirs of Mumbai is absolutely low. It's almost, 5.29 and between 5.29 to 5.96. Okay. And that's why there was severe water cuts in the city of Mumbai. And even though it's a relief in that sorts, but of course waterlogging is a major issue.
All right, Srishti, why don't you stay with us? We have more updates. If you're staying in Mumbai, remember more details that you must know. This is vis-a-vis Indigo. We are learning that Indigo has also issued an advisory. In fact, it has said that take alternative routes or refund. So clearly, this is in anticipation of what possibly could happen in the next few hours. As Srishti also told us that the city literally has come to a standstill. Srishti, what is it that Indigo is saying? Because till now, we haven't seen much of a flight disruption, thankfully, but this is also keeping in mind a lot of waterlogged routes and, people might face a lot of long delays before they reach the airport.
Well, of course, if we talk about the Indigo advisory, it has mentioned the fact that the flights are taking alternative routes and they're trying to manage the situation as the flights are being delayed. But yes, of course, it's a serious situation in the city of Mumbai, as the commuters who are traveling from taxis or by flights, it is a serious problem for them. And on that pretext, now Indigo has given out the advisory that the refunds will be initiated and different routes will be taken by the flights to reach Mumbai and vice versa. Let's try and talk to a few more people if we just can talk. सर, आप बताइए, काफी ज्यादा वाटर लॉगिंग है शहर में, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Okay, people are in absolutely hurry as this is a peak time. However, we'll try and talk to a few more people. सर, आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे, पानी काफी people are in hurry as it's a peak hour in the city of Mumbai. Everybody wants to go to work and they are already late due to the waterlogging situation. However, now the BMC is saying that they are doing their works properly, wherein they are trying to, suck out the water from the low-lying areas. But yes, a serious situation over here.
Okay, and Srishti, I think there might just be a little bit of breather, keeping in mind that we do not see a lot of rains, at least in the city right now, and if the rains actually begin to recede, this could lead to an improvement in the situation. But still, you're looking at a lot of these advisories that have been coming in. I think we'll be able to put out details of a Mumbai police advisory also on your screens in just a moment. But for right now, let's quickly recap what we do know about the situation, and that advisory is also up on your screens right now. There are waterlogged streets, inundated homes, clearly making, life pretty difficult right now for the Mumbaikars. But there are particular advisories issued both by the police there, by the BMC, on which are the areas to avoid, as heavy rains have lashed Mumbai in the last few hours. And like I said, the police also reiterating much the same, talking about traffic movement that is slow at the Center Bridge southbound because of the truck breakdown. So likewise, you will be seeing all these updates that will continue to come in. The police has also maintained that do not step out of your house in case it is not very, very urgent. Clearly, trying to keep in mind the difficulties that the commuters could end up facing. An almost similar situation, similar problems. We see a redux of these every year with the coming of the monsoon. Right now, we do know that there hasn't been much of a rain, at least in the last 2 hours or so. And this, the agencies believe, could be a good sign, as the rainwater will now begin to recede. And the city there is looking at a crazy Monday right now because there is a lot of traffic. Arunil is also joining us, and we'll get him, in fact, to get us more details of what he has seen on the streets of Mumbai.
At present, I'm reporting from what I can see because of the heavy rainfall since last night. According to the BMC statement, heavy rainfall has been received in Mumbai since from 1 a.m. till right now also. The rainfall is ongoing at several places, especially in low-lying areas. Waterlogging can be seen. My video journey basically is also showing you how because of this waterlogging in several other parts of Mumbai as well, especially in low-lying, those areas have been submerged because of the heavy rainfall. Commuting becomes a Herculean task. All the office goers who basically are trying to wade through this waterlogging and trying to reach their offices on Monday, they are facing massive inconvenience. With respect to the train schedule, we understand from the PROs of Western Railway, Central Railway as well as from Harbour Line that it is running on schedule. Minor discrepancies are there.
मुंबई पानी हर साल का वही टेंशन, हमारा BMW वहाँ फंसा है। अभी सरकार से क्या, बारिश है तो क्या सरकार को बोलेंगे, सरकार अपना काम कर रही है। जैसे बारिश में अभी क्या, ये नेचुरल फ्लड है, उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकते ना। खाली पीली किसके ऊपर दोष दे के फायदा नहीं।
मुंबई के बारे में बस इतना ही कहूंगा कि अपना जो भी है दादर इलाका है ना, हर साल पानी भरता है इधर पे, कभी कोई चीज की सुविधा नहीं होती है। हमेशा इधर पे यही प्रॉब्लम रहती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही कारण रहता है। कभी भी बीएमसी अपना काम ठीक करती नहीं है। जब भी देखेगा ना, यहाँ पे हर साल पानी भरता है और यहाँ की जो गवर्नमेंट है ना, बिल्कुल भी लाचार है एकदम, और जरा भी ध्यान नहीं देते बीएमसी वाले लोग। अभी मैं जा रहा था कुर्ला से परेल तक जा रहा था, सिर्फ कुर्ला से परेल तक जाने के लिए मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ, इतना दिक्कत हुआ है, करीबन मुझे 2 घंटा लग गया ट्रैफिक के अंदर।
We also have a colleague, Arunil, who's joining us live right now. Arunil, what is the situation like right now? Because if it does not rain, at least there could be some hope of the rain waters that could begin to recede and the situation gradually improving.
Well, good morning to you. At least in the Mumbai western suburbs, the rains have mellowed down now. We can expect the water to recede. However, what is extremely disappointing is that only 6 to 7 hours of rainfall. The rainfall basically had started at 1 a.m. last night, according to the BMC statement. And by 7:30, it was raining heavily. And only in 7 hours of rainfall, there was water everywhere in the city of Mumbai. All the low-lying areas were submerged. People were forced to brave through knee-deep water. Their vehicles were getting crashed because but the engine was getting affected as the roads were waterlogged. Thankfully, the trains were not affected. Airlines were not affected, according to the statement from the Mumbai airport as well. One heartening sign is that the BMC had issued water cuts because the water levels in the surrounding lakes had gone down. Because of this rainfall, the Mumbaikars will get a relief from these water cuts. But with respect to the waterlogging on the road that has been seen everywhere, and the inconvenience and trouble that office goers have to endure through, that is never ending, it seems. This is every year's story, and beat all the localities in Mumbai, Thane, Andheri, Goregaon, Chembur, all the areas, especially the low-lying ones, were submerged today after heavy rainfall for around 6 hours.
All right, Arunil, so we must, tell our viewers that on Times Now, through this day, we'll be putting out more updates. They can continuously track what's going on, in which part of Mumbai they are. Our reporters spread across the length and breadth of the city, and we are covering the Mumbai deluge. And we hope it's not a deluge. We hope the situation gets better as we head into a quick break. On the other side, back with more.